And I was noticing a lot of times with options, I'd get a small pullback, but that pullback would wreck your position well before you could win. So
Yeah.
with futures, it's nice because you have that breathing room to let your play be right.
Hmm.
But strictly, I just trade NQ. I started out with ES originally and then went to NQ. ES is great, but sometimes it just doesn't move enough to reward you. And I found that NQ gave me enough reward without killing me at the same time. So
Mm-hmm.
sometimes when we're in like a really high volatile market with VIX 30 area, I will try to switch back to ES because it is a little calmer. When you got those 100.1 minute candles, it's a little hard to win.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, absolutely. Do you find yourself, because it's interesting because you're absolutely right with options, right? You can be completely right on the play and then, get completely slaughtered on the contract because of the pullbacks. So in futures, like in terms of your strategy, do you feel like are you more of a day trader with futures? Do you kind of scalp in and out? Like what's your typical strategy with futures?
So I am a scalper. I've been a scalper since I was doing options. Sometimes my plays are 30 seconds. Sometimes it can go up to 10 minutes, depending on again where the volatility of the market is. But generally, I enter and I always use a 20-point stop loss. That's just what I've found. I've researched this since day one of trading options. What my best drawdown is, and 20 points for me seems to be the good kind of drawdown. And then usually my take profits around 20 to 40 points. So that's just kind of how my strategy works. And then I trade a lot off of supply and demand. So I'll make levels. Whenever my chart goes up there, you can see I have levels. Supply is the light blue and the demand is the purple. And that kind of just shows you, obviously key supports and key resistance. And then I also use opening range breakout on the 5 minute as a critical part of kind of picking a direction and kind of doing that. And then I wait for a mean reversion before I take the play. I try not to chase the continuation.
That's really cool. I feel like you and I trade pretty similarly, scalping and opening range and supply and demand. So we have your charts up right now. I guess why not just talk about what you would be looking for today? What's your sentiment on the day so far?
Yeah, so on the far right side here, we got NQ 5 minute and NQ 15 minute, and then the left side we got NQ or ES on the 5 and 15. So pretty much what I do overnight is, my levels stay 24/7. I don't take any levels off. So right now, what I'm looking at is overnight on NQ. We kind of established this 25 198 to 25 281 area as a big support area. So pretty much now we're bouncing up into 25 356 to 25 304. Yeah, 403 there. So pretty much if we close over this level, and for me, I wait till open and again at least the first 5 to 15 minutes, kind of see where it plays out. I would be looking then for a breakout to my next levels, which is this 25 465 to 25 506. And on the same side here, if we break down through 25 198, then again I'm looking for 25 018 to 25 103. So I'm basically always looking for at the beginning of the day before the market opens what our range from overnight is. We almost always have a range unless it's a news day where we're in a big momentum push coming into open. So I pretty much wait for the range to break. I try not to take a trade before it is officially confirmed with usually a 5 minute candle close over the level. And then again, I wait for, let's say, I'll zoom in here for you guys on the 5 minute right here. So let's say open, we close over 25, 394 on the first 5 minute candle. I'd wait for a small pullback and then I would look for a breakout here to 25, 465.
Mm.
And then I use an indicator of buyers and sellers to kind of support that. And then I also watch the VIX. I know a lot of people don't like the VIX because they think it can be spoofed. So there are sometimes it doesn't work very good. But I also look for the VIX to be supporting whatever direction I'm going to take. So again, if I'm taking this long here, I'd like to see which we have right now, the VIX making a downward movement on the 15-minute chart.
Okay. Yeah. No, this is really cool. I like talking to other traders about what, they see on the charts. And it looks like your level is actually I was hearing what you were saying as I was looking at my chart too. And you have pretty similar levels. So I'd be curious to see how they end up playing out today.
Good morning,
One Rated
morning.
Unmuted wants to know, are all those indicators, are you manually plotting those supply and demand
Miss
zones?
Smith,
So
no
the
thank
supply and
you.
demand are technically manually inputted, but they are given to me from an indicator.
No, thank you. But you can put it in the Discord. I think we have a Discord
over time, as we reject and whatnot here,
link.
I will take
Still command. I have no idea. Been so long
So here's a good example
since I tried
obviously put that 5 minute
for
and then boom, immediately rejected. So
since I've tried for streaming goals.
I never long into this resistance or the range until it breaks, because you have a very high odds of being rejected.
Yeah. That's it. Basically, exactly where I would expect it to be rejected too, is where it's rejecting. And it looks like do you use like value area high and lows? I think that's what I see on your chart.
Yeah, they're on there, but I don't look at them too much.
But Emma, thank you for stopping in.
Value area highs. If we're on like
We do have a self promote in the Discord.
Value area high is moving up with us,
And you can put it down, put what you got down in the self promote.
Take off, but I don't use it a whole lot, honestly.
Okay. Very cool. Okay, well we're excited to see like where today goes. I mean, on Fridays, how do you typically go into Fridays? Is it, kind of a chill sort of day?
I will.
Is it a normal day for you?
It's a pretty normal day. I just my goal generally is about $500 to $1,000 a day in an account. So I trade obviously multiple accounts, but pretty much once I hit my daily goal, I'm done. That's one thing that I made a big adjustment for in 2025, and it really helped me, was once you hit that daily goal, once you have your profit, there's just no reason to keep trading. So for me, that's a big change I made, and it really, really helped me with my longevity of accounts. Instead of, you might be up $1,000 on the day, and you're like, oh, I could get to 2,000 and make tomorrow easier, but then you end up blowing the account because you overtrade, and you get 4 plays against you all of a sudden. So for me, that's something that's really important, is just that risk management is really what keeps you profitable.
Absolutely.
True. That sounds. It sounds like prior to picking out and sticking to your daily profit target, it sounds like deciding when to close out your day is a bit of a battle. And speaking of battles, it's time for the opening bell battle.
Sure.
What is going on? Whoa. What is going on? What is happening? That's crazy.
Oh god, they did me dirty on that short. Drew, if you can go to my chart really quick. Look at this. This was some ugly stuff. I went short at 25,358. I got stopped out at 78. It got up like 4 points higher, and then it just dropped and would have hit my TP. Yeah, thanks for that.
What made you go short there? I'm curious.
GP off London session.
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah.
Okay, well, while we're about about a minute and a half here until the open. So we're excited to trade with you here, Brandon. Like I said, a lot of the things and the levels that you mentioned are pretty much in confluence with what I see too. So yeah, it'll be fun to get into this together.
Yeah, I'm very excited. And look at the daily right now. That's a big thing I watch too, is the overall daily trend. There's an interesting rejection here because, on ES, we didn't really break through yesterday's high yet. But on NQ, we're pretty close, which is about...
All right. Sorry. Let's get focused here. Opening is about to happen. We need to figure this out.
Is really what I'm watching. I think if we do break through that, we really have a good chance of a strong breakout today. But ES so far is lagging a little bit. That's something I've been watching a lot lately, is that the days that NQ seems to be leading is we kind of just get these more endless pumps to the upside, versus I feel like when ES is trying to lead the upside, NQ ends up bringing it back down.
Absolutely. We'll see here.
All right, guys. So we are 20 seconds away. Boy, what a weird 5-minute candle that was.
All right, what do you think's gonna happen today, guys?
All right, guys, check your orders. Lock it in. It is time for us to trade on this Friday. Last full week of trading ends today. So let's get it going. Ding ding, motherfuckers. Let's get to work.
Hey, we lost Brandon. Where did Brandon go?
Gone.
Oh no. Oh.
I just wanted to ask him a question.
Yeah, he's gone.
Let's see. Pushing right into London high, but not quite getting it yet.
I think they have Spectrum in North Carolina too, so that makes sense.
Sounds about right. Now let's see.
All right, there it is. That's a new high for today's session. Now, next one to take out for NQ is previous day high at 25,413. I would like to see that.
We're hoping for an up.
That would be my idea.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Also,
Scary.
Yes, that's the monthly open level there. Could get interesting here.
Yeah, ES is breaking out of.
Oh, it did go up.
for this 5-minute.
Oh no. Okay.
25,400.
They did. I did not hold long enough, guys.
Touch that previous day high level.
Forgot what we're trading today. Oh, we're trading this other account.
Are we gonna sweep it and go?
SPX also opened with a gap up, so there is a nice gap to fill to the downside.
It is an interesting open.
Yeah, very interesting open. Just straight pump.
Like straight 60 points up in 1.5 minutes. Okay.
I don't like initiating a long here only because NASDAQ has a level at 472, and of course I still want to wait to see if they're even going to accept it above this 415 area. We did drive through it, of course, but I want to see where this candle closes before even considering.
I would really prefer for it to sweep and go down. And 41% of you guys in the chat are saying you're bearish for today. So with that, team bears.
I don't trust this pump. I really don't.
Yankees like bet.
Yeah, Yankees like fuck your puts.
No, I do think this is going to pull back as well. But what a strong open! And again, when you combine this with the 5-minute candle right before we open, this is basically a 130-point pump. So,
out of nowhere, Leah, what's up? Good morning. Good afternoon for you, I should say.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, not yet trusting this, guys. Not yet trusting this. I would be watching though. I'd be curious to see if ES gets above this 867 level. SPX, I'd be watching above 815, 816 area. But I hate when they do this. This is so annoying. Let's see what they end up getting here.
Yeah, ES is like going crazy right now. Almost that previous week mid and previous day high. Well, still 10 points away, but it's realistic.
We're getting into some interesting areas here. NASDAQ approaching a supply zone here at 470.
Yeah, NASDAQ, I think it's going to reject 500. It might go up to 500, but I don't think it's going to go through 500. But let's see.
Yeah.
Could be wrong.
Yeah, I would not.
Damn, I should have stayed in right there. That's crazy. That's a craziness.
Yes, that has rejected multiple times at the 870s. We also have this supply zone sitting at 73 on the NASDAQ. Goes all the way up to pretty much to 515. So not interested just yet. Let's see. Need a little bit more data. It's correct.
yeah, this is very much. I feel a little scalpy in there, but other than that, this is very much just kind of a wait out thing.
Hey, we got Brandon back.
No. It's okay, but I'm
No, of course we want to bring you back on, but we need to
get my charts going back up.
We need to plug you back in. There you go. You're back on screen.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, Brandon.
We thought you decided to just do the open on your own. So we're like, okay, well, Brandon doesn't like us anymore. No.
Yeah, this is very much. I
don't think you can hear us, though.
Other than that, this is very much.
I do not think Brandon can hear us.
Oh. no,
think
you're fine.
he's-
I don't know if the chat can hear you.
he is listening to the stream audio, I think. He's getting delayed audio now.
All right, we didn't get in on that. I mean, we did. We just we wussed out. It's okay.
We can hear you.
Might be
You
Blue.
just can't hear us.
We're just waiting. There is news that we can't trade on this account that we are trading today.
Okay, now he's out again. He's gonna join back in, chat. I had to wait with saying anything because I knew that he was listening to the stream audio and he gets that like 5 to 10 seconds later. If I say anything, it's just gonna confuse him. But let's hope that it works when he joins back in. Okay, so NQ did sweep that previous 5-minute candles high. Let's see what happens now. I don't know. You tell us, Brandon. Can you hear us? Nope, that's not working.
All right, well, Brandon, we will work out what's going on here, and we will bring you back maybe in the next couple of weeks. So I guess there's a little behind the scenes problem, but we do thank Brandon for joining us. It was great to hear his kind of his strategy. I was curious to see how he executed at the Open, but we'll bring him back. So it was good talking with him, fellow Valpo alum. So yeah, we'll definitely bring him back. In the meantime, what are we seeing here, guys?
Yeah, we're rejecting. Like I
There's
said,
rejection.
this area here is a really nice. However, I do want to see on the Nasdaq, can we hold this previous day high, right? And we are literally tapping right into that
tapped
level
it.
as we speak. So we might try to hold here. If bulls really are strong, they're going to hold it here. Otherwise, we come all the way back down and we retrace this whole move. You
I would
guys know-
love to see that, honestly.
I would too, but I don't know. It seems like they're trying to hold it right now. I just don't trust this upside because we do have, like, I'm not going to long here. Like, this doesn't make sense for me to long here. I'd rather get a pullback and then, or just a little bit more data.
Just see what's going on, man.
Get into a trade just yet. See what the opening range comes with. Yes, rejected the
I'm tired
66 area here.
of the tiredness, you know?
Could try to hold pre-market high. The difference is ES hasn't even reached its previous day high. Still continuing to make these lower highs as we speak. Nasdaq is above its previous day high for the moment, but I don't know. You know, obviously we don't know yet what they're going to decide to do. We're technically up 50% retracement.
I think we fixed the audio issue, and
We're just gonna see where we go right now, you know what I mean? See what's going on. Hopefully things are good. Hopefully things will work out today. We're just gonna try and be a little smart. You know what I mean?
I'm not a boomer, but man.
Call it a day
Now, so we're all good.
if we need to.
Did you take any trades already?
I just randomly lost power. Everything in the house shut off.
Oh no.
I guess I didn't pay the bill. I don't know, but
Well, you're back now, though. Did you take any trades already, or are you looking at
no.
anything?
So I'm watching this breakout here. It actually is looking pretty good. We just got the pullback that I would like to see. We have some really nice buyers. VX and VIX are pushing down here too, so this is pretty solid. Generally, I probably would take this long, but just because I didn't actually,
I wanna punch for this next.
just sit.
I don't know. Seems kind of weak. You know what I mean?
Looking at ES though, we do have a little bit more of a pullback here, and NQ is touching that 25,465 level.
It's kind of weak.
There's a potential rejection spot here.
Yeah.
Although overall, probably not.
I wouldn't be able to justify a short.
We're probably gonna be long biased.
Such aggressive and nice buying.
We're gonna wait for this to close.
I'm with you. I am with you. It's one of those when you can argue both sides, like it's hard to get into a trade.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, definitely. It's not like it wouldn't be my A+ setup.
Yeah.
I think the Bulls are probably going to win it, but
That
like I
was
said,
strong.
I'd like to be able to watch.
Will it break above?
We're seeing some questions in
Uh-oh.
the chat, Brandon. So you had said you're feel like the definitions of like buy and hold,
Right.
scalping might
It was
be
a little negative.
levels of scalping. So like how long are you typically in a trade? How many points are you looking for, et cetera, et cetera?
So I'm generally in a trade, I would say less than 5 minutes. Sometimes they are instant hits, and that will be, obviously like 30 seconds, 60 seconds. But for the most part, I would say about a minute to 2 minutes to kind of play it out. And again, it depends on volatility. When we have these 100.1 minute candles, you might be able to get out a lot quicker. But yeah, about a couple minutes usually.
I could definitely see
Uh-oh.
us
I think we're gonna lose this trade too.
until we decide on a next leg. Because yeah, that 60.
I wanted to push back down, right down into here.
Pretty close to a supply.
Let's find out. Let's see what happens.
Not at all shocked that we are rejecting here.
So I'm actually looking at a short right now. I'm not in it just yet. I might have missed it by now, actually. Yeah. So the reason I was looking at a short here, and it just played out too fast, was
Wait for a test there.
5-minute ORB resistance of 25,461, which is just below that 25,465.
One more push down.
And now we're obviously rejecting down. So I'm kind of looking for maybe.
We are probably not going to push down. We're going to lose even more.
But we got a nice
Come on.
rejection there. Played about 20 points. It played out.
I mean, it's not even the first 15 minutes passed of this session, so we got time.
Oh yeah.
Do you usually like have a set time frame that you or time window that you trade through? Do you like close down the charts after an hour, or how do you usually work?
It really depends. Generally speaking, opening hour is where I like to trade. It's my highest success rate. Even dating back to options, anything after 11 a.m., my win rate drops in a big way.
Okay. That's so you gathered that data obviously over the years that you've been trading, right? So what are you doing with it?
The data?
Yeah.
So that's just kind of how I have shaped what time I trade. A lot of it really went into my stop loss and my take profits too. So like I said, 20-point stop loss is automatic on every single play. And I do the best I can to never move that, because generally if it's going 20 points against me on NQ, then I'm wrong. And even if I am right, it's going to see so much drawdown that it's not worth being in it.
No, I see. So does it ever happen if you have a fixed stop loss like that? Does it ever happen, or like does it happen a lot that you get like wicked out and then it runs in your direction?
It does, unfortunately, but it's part of the game. That's where sometimes you're gonna win, sometimes
I'm
you're gonna
long.
lose.
Sorry, I'm long, guys. I took the breakout of that play here. I'm in at 458. Wow, what a move. Okay, so I just guys, this is what I mean by this is too quick. I just scaled out at 90 here. I'm only in 2 contracts left.
I like that. I like that.
Actually, I'm going to scale out more here, guys, because I actually see that we could possibly reject in this level. So I am only in 1 left. All right, that was quick. So I was looking for on the 1 minute this. Wow.
That was a quick move.
All right.
Yeah, I like that long a lot. That was a good breakout. It's breaking out through that 461 now.
That was actually nuts. I did get out of that play though, because we are at the top of my supply zone. I should have just trailed this honestly, but I'm not really trusting this move to necessarily like continue. So I did want to lock in profits, especially on a Friday. But that was a quickie.
Yeah, that was a nice trade there.
Okay. Well, we are out.
Yeah, I'd like to see if we can get a little pullback here, maybe back to 500. And then I have pretty much 600 area as my next upside target that I would be looking for.
Wow.
If we can get a decent little pullback here. I think daily wise, really, we could see 68.90 and probably 25,674 today if this momentum continues, which we have a lot of buyers and really aggressive. So I don't see.
Yeah, this was a classic bull flag breakout that I was looking for. ES was creating a really nice 3-bar setup, came down, held its pre-market high. NASDAQ held its previous day high, which is why for me that was an indication to just go ahead and probably they would break this with momentum, which obviously they ended up doing. So next level's up here, guys. Wow, they are taking this. I don't see anything until 590. 590 would be the next target here on ES. I see. Ooh, I don't really see much. Not gonna lie. We could come into an area here at the 882 level. So I'd watch that. If you're in ES, there is a wick to fill to 891.
Let's freaking go.
Next level up, I would look for 902 900 if you are trading ES to the upside here. This is a classic breakout move that I like. So that was a quickie, guys. I think I was in that trade for like 30 seconds.
If this continues up, that's wild.
506 and 6870 area would be a nice bounce spot.
All right, we're already time to rotate off of those accounts. That's crazy. All right. All right. I almost felt like I should be in with
Not look to chase this up here, guys. Just FYI, which is why I got out of this trade.
I wanna thank you. I wanna take a short at 83.75. That would be GP from previous week high to this week's low. I have an order sitting there.
We have our
Everybody's going long.
orb.
That was a really clean bar on
Yeah.
ES.
So
Very, very clean. There was a lot of confluence too. That's why for me I was like, oh, I don't know if I trust this push. But the fact that they were not able to break below previous day high on the NASDAQ, for me, that was indication that they're probably gonna take this long. So this could still keep going, guys. I honestly, like I said, I don't have
This
any.
is looking good for upside.
Yeah. 600 on NQ would be the next target if you're still in this.
All right, I went ahead and took the
I
risk.
don't think I'm taking the breakout
Attempted to pull back,
of this
but we
with
just
the funded account
did not look
right
like
now.
we're going to be able to do it. So I'm looking for the breakout here. Hopefully it takes us up, like I said, to 592 to 606 area.
Yeah.
All right.
557 on the NASDAQ now has some buyers sitting there. Wow, what a move today. This might just be a complete pump. Let's just
Come on.
Let's just completely take this up. I will be curious though what they do at the 600.
Yeah, that's my first real
chewing up
rejection.
the ask the whole way up. I mean, I'm just watching the orders fall one at a time, and it's a sustainable move because it's not a 30-point pump and a 20-point retrace. They're like we saw a couple of days ago where we were just eating up the bids on the way down. It's the exact opposite today.
Yeah, this is probably the most aggressive buyers I've seen in weeks. This is really strong. We're trying to play a little pullback here. So this is, my stop loss is just below the low of this 5-minute candle right at.
All right, now we can't really trade for the next
entry is 25, 559.5. So I do think we're going to
15 or 20 minutes. Can't trade. I think it's 10 minutes before, 10 minutes after. Got the news. We can trade these two.
On ES sitting at 6871. Some decent
156.
at 880. That same freaking
52.
area. 880 is going to be that key level on ES, I think.
I did get stopped out there for 20 points.
We are holding the opening range high though on NASDAQ. So that's the only thing. Yes,
437.
the opening range high as we speak. So
Wait.
we'll see. But previous day high on
76.
ES is going to be that marker. I think if we even like make a little break of that, maybe come down to like 868 on ES, we could still hold this. But right now, just such a strong move up. I would expect some profit taking to be happening up here. So that's why I'm like, I don't necessarily trust the longs just yet until we see a decent pullback. And again, that 880 level on ES is still a resistance point. So we haven't even gotten there on ES yet.
Probably should have traded our funded account.
375.
Probably should have.
Yeah, we're forming a nice little 5-minute double top here, though.
But
they're pushing up a little bit now.
it is what it is, and we are okay. You know what I mean? We can be okay with that. Sometimes it
Thanks for that
just
reminder.
is what it is.
Dad Trader, it's we do have existing home sales coming up,
Thank you.
so
Yes.
that 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
I still think we're holding these key levels though. Still not as short to me. Like, I mean, I'm not saying initiate a long. If you're still in a long, to me, there's no reason to get out just yet. But I think
so
if this
tired.
contract starts
So
breaking out
tired.
below 500, then it would be possibly starting to reverse here. I mean, you don't have to be a technical analysis to see that we're holding a nice trend line on the 1 minute here. So let's see.
I'm starting to see some of these buyers weaken a little bit.
Yeah.
Need a tap into the 80s.
45250.
VX is starting to make a teeny
Four,
move up in
five,
here, so
2.50.
the weakness is starting to form.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean, bulls definitely have a chance to continue a trend day today, but we'll see. Very early to tell. I mean, we have so much day left. It's also Friday. It's also
Would like to
Friday.
see a setup for a move to 600. I think we're going to get that.
Yeah, plus today is OPEX day, so apparently one of the bigger ones too. So that will also make things a little funky.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Big OPEX day, actually.
Feels like every OPEX day is the biggest OPEX day, though.
You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Right. What about you, Brandon? Do you have any plans for the holidays?
Not really. Today's the kids' last day of school, so probably just do some sort of fun activities this week, and then obviously Christmas.
Yes, we can't trade anything right now.
We stay
Can't.
Okay, I like it.
Nice.
We're gonna have to wait.
By the way, Brandon, obviously you took one trade so far, right? How many trades do you take on an average day?
It really depends. You know, anywhere from I'd say two to.
I mean, we can trade on these accounts.
Try to definitely go for
That's what we can
quality
do.
over quantity.
Yeah.
It's a good plan.
And do you have like a rule that, let's say, after 2 losses you stop, or does that not matter?
No, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Would you guys be interested in a book map stream?
If it works, it works.
There's a couple out there. There's like 3.
That's fair. Hanging around that 550 area here, NQ.
The short is really tempting me right here.
Yeah, I'm with you. ES, like I said, that 880 level is going to be a really, really key level for us to break through. And if we keep tapping into it and we're not able to break, see, and this is where I start creating like those.
All right.
Various, conflicting.
All right, guys. I'm pretty stoked with today. I kind of, rotate off of these accounts.
Set up for a 3-bar pattern, which is bullish. However, that 880 is going to be key. So, like I said,
we don't need to trade this account anymore. We're just gonna have to end the week negative. Honestly, it doesn't really make any sense to possibly give any of it back. We did hit the target. That's for the day on these accounts, or mid portion. There's a range. We want to make $100 to $200 per contract. Be it the micros, and the minis would be 1,000.
That's what I mean, though. It's like when you can argue both sides.
So on this one, we are over 300. We're good. This one is our scalp account. We can trade it. We're over 162 though. But we did trade 2 contracts, so we can trade this one, or we are going to trade this one still. We do have this other. Boom. We're gonna move that over. Okay. We could trade this one.
like they want to bring this back down. Let's see if they hold 534. That's really the key level.
And we can
We'll
rotate
break this 1 minute trend line as well. ES failure to break out of this 880, so shorts might try to come in.
Yeah,
into.
this is looking good for the downside here now. I'm going to go ahead and set a break even just because I don't trust anybody ever in this game. So
Good
I'm at 20 points profit right now, letting it run. Hopefully, again,
Or into this one.
Let's go. Reminder again, guys, 5 minutes until the
There's another one we can trade.
Yeah.
If you're going to trade, make sure you have your stop losses in.
Actually.
Really on the 5 minute here for NQ though, this is a really nice rejection setup with that doji and then a little bit lower wick here, and then now the 15 minute NQ is also playing out that 15 minute double top. So again, I really like at least 506 here. I think we're gonna get a nice little flush coming here.
All right. So we as we get to the top of the hour here, guys, we got some data coming.
Let's see what's going on right now. You know what I mean? Just chill out. We can't trade for sure now. I think for sure it's 5 minutes to 5 minutes above. We can trade this account here.
And yeah, thanks for sharing some of your knowledge with us.
I appreciate that, guys. Yeah, I just got stopped at a break even, which I'm completely content with. But appreciate you guys coming. Hope you guys enjoyed me, and I'd love to be back sometime. So
I love it.
Yes, sir. All right. Have a great weekend.
Yeah, you guys too.
All right, guys. Yeah, these guys are holding. They're holding here. 530s. Let's see if ES. I had mentioned though this ES definitely strong today. ES is holding previous day high, and so this is kind of where like these levels start to come into play for me because if we can continue sitting above previous day high for the bulls, that's obviously going to be in their favor. Not to say we don't have some sort of pullback and then end up pushing back up, but we have not been able to close a single candle below the previous day high here now that we've gotten above it. So now you use.
I think I'm just gonna hold off.
At least I will.
Don't know what's gonna happen. Like I do want to pass this account.
Maybe can look for taking a long. And then the one thing though that I do want to see is we break above 880 because we don't want another situation happening like yesterday.
We've brought in this account back pretty far.
And then we just saw the really step in. So it's one of those where again like.
So I just don't really want to risk that as a thing. I think we can
Stay out of a trade until then anyway.
almost just call it for the day. You know what I mean?
Absolutely. So again, we are now just a couple minutes. It's existing home sales, guys. It is high level news. I'm not sure it's going to move us quite as much as some of the inflation numbers and jobs numbers did.
Ooh, yes, they just took those.
So yeah, Zayed, and listen, when we bring somebody on, like I can tell you this, guys, even the simplest strategies can take. I joke the buy my course stuff, guys, but I've done courses before for many, many years. Like even simple candlestick strategies can take multiple hours to explain because it's not always just cut and dry, right? There's contingencies here, contingencies there. There's but ifs, but if this happens, et cetera, et cetera. So what we really want you guys to take away from when we have these live traders, these successful traders on is their mental process. And I know that's not sexy. I know it's trading psychology, here you go again. But honestly, at some point,
So what do you think, guys? Do you think they're consolidating some more?
You have your mindset right. You're not going to be successful in this game. So to hear other, again, guys, just the three people on screen right now have wildly different backgrounds and ways we came to trading.
Okay, we're at 7 o'clock. Another 10 minutes, and we got like 20 minutes of trading left before going to work.
But that's why we bring some of that on. So yeah,
so we didn't really trade the strategy on this. It just really seemed like it was gonna push up, so we did. We just took it. Worked out pretty good. Our scalp account here took some losses in the beginning, but that breakout move, it just looks so ripe, so ripe. We went ahead and we went for it. Oh.
Who does that?
What is this algo trading happening?
I will still leave my order on.
What is
Tapped into
that? Do you see this?
I did get tapped into that.
Bulls are really coming in here. Buying pressure is really high right now on both futures.
Yeah, it's gonna go
Let's see what
take
we
out
do at the
600.
600 here. Wow.
Oh yeah, it's the news, huh? What was the news?
Runner, damn it.
Europe
Oh,
and existing home sales. Oh my gosh, that launched up.
Watch the 600.
I guess I should have took that.
Yes. Next level up.
Big order at 600 was legit and was filled.
ooh, not a spoof. Damn.
Wow. Well, maybe. ES has to hold 885. There's some
All right, let's see some drop.
picking up here on ES.
Existing home sales actual 4.13 million.
Okay, we're waiting on the news.
Consumer sentiment actual 52.9, expecting 53.4. So everything coming in just slightly light, but not significant enough to affect price action too much.
I want to see how this candle closes because we are tapping into my supply zone here. 592, it goes all the way up to 669. ES, like I said, has some sellers at 890, but we do have room if we can continue higher. Let's see. This is actually a pretty decent rejection point. ES does have a nice 1 hour wick to fill up to 892. If we can make it up there, I would think that we start, maybe we can even trickle into like the 620s and then find some resistance unless this candle closes bearish.
I'm still in the short. But I have my stop above the wick at 601.75 on NQ. Risking 18 points on this.
So we're just gonna go ahead and chill out.
Well, Dominic, appreciate the shout out. Appreciate, yeah. And we know you've been here for a while, so we appreciate you being here on a day-to-day basis. So keep doing it.
Hey, thanks, Dominic. Appreciate you.
All right. Come on, dump it. Dump it.
I don't hate it, Nick. I don't hate it. I'm going to say this. I would much rather be short than a long right now. Initiating. If I'm long, if I was still in my long, I'd be a freaking happy camper. But let's see. I think you need to break the 70 and then need to get back down below 520.
Now let's see. Let's see. I mean, my ultimate target for this would be very, very much lower. At like 380. That would be too crazy though.
You need to break it here. The 70 level.
Not gonna be crazy. Yeah, it's struggling to go up, but also can't really push down. So it's a battle.
It is a battle.
Saeed, yes, I did go short at 583 4 minutes ago. Right when that 10 a.m. candle pushed up. Targeting 533 actually.
Dun, 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 I need to find my other phone number.
So, worst case, we make nothing.
I like it, Nick. I like this for you. We just need a candle closure like below this. Ideally, 37 would be great.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna trade with the 1 minutes now. My stop is at 60, 50.
We got 6 more minutes, guys. 6 more minutes.
Right above this 1 minute candle. So I've locked in 23 points.
Put your stop to like high of day and let it ride.
Let it ride.
Let it ride.
Nah, I gotta follow my system.
I'm telling you.
Can't be dumb.
All right. What are we looking at, guys? Let's get prepared here to jump back in. See what's going on here, you know what I mean? We're gonna go ahead and
23 points. I'm back in profit now for today. I was down $400. I'm up $53.
see where we are at.
Dinner on you tonight.
Well, it's 53 times.
All right, they pulled the contracts above, or those got taken out.
straw in that motherfucker. And go.
There's more up there.
Nice.
Kind of curious to see what is happening.
Boy, we made that move. The 5 minute is really interesting on the end. Basically,
Or you think we're gonna break back down through?
Shot straight.
Kind of
up.
depends, right?
Is about as close to a doji as you can actually get. Let's see, what was the 454 and the close was. It was 0.25% off from being a true doji, and then the next candle just rockets up another 100 points, and now it's just like, yeah, I'm tired. I'm just gonna sit here for a little while.
Literally.
Oh.
NQ was saying.
Yeah.
Just how hard it pushed up through that. Kind of crazy.
Next guest, Nikhil. Guys, put a W in the chat for Nikhil here.
W.
The amount of contracts that are printing above this on ES makes me. ES will help drive NQ sometimes.
Hey.
Where are you based?
So I live in New York, but my parents live in Arizona, so I'm in Arizona right now.
Ooh.
For
Welcome to the West Side.
Yep, it's like 8 a.m. right now, and the sun's barely up. There's no daylight savings down here, so.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Well, you got an hour beat on me. It's about 7 a.m. here. So, how is it trading on the West Coast?
I kind of like it better because you get done earlier.
Yeah.
And like sometimes the setups come like in the afternoon, like 1, 2 p.m. in New York, but out here you can get it done early, and then you don't have to be in front of the computer. You can just go do whatever you want.
There's pros and cons for sure. Pros and cons. You get to sleep in a little bit on the east side, but West Coast you're done early. So, man, okay. Well, welcome to Tradovate TV. You are one of our funded traders. So, how has your trading been so far? I mean, it's kind of. How long have you been a funded trader, by the way?
Well, I got the straight to live funded. I think that's what it was called. I got that in April. And then in August, I bought 3 more, and I've had the same accounts since.
That's amazing. Wow.
So you have 5 total currently?
I have 4.
Couple more minutes.
I think it hit like my 21st total payout yesterday, but I still haven't been moved to live, but I'm fine with that. I've just been trading those 4 accounts.
Good for you. Yeah. That is very impressive.
That leaves room to add a select account.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dang. Okay. So I'm curious to know like your background. I know everyone else wants to know like how did Nikhil get here? What was your background before you got into trading, and how did you get into it?
So
Curious on Nvidia right now, like
I didn't really have a background. I was just
what's going on with it.
But I started trading in 2020. Basically, same story as everybody, where you make a decent amount of money and then lose it all. But I was trading options, and then I transitioned into like selling options, and then you make like 50 cents on $500, and then that one time you lose $500.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, I don't know about all this, and then I think end of 22 I started the strategy that I use now. Basically, each asset, it goes up most of the time, so I don't short it. I never short it because there's squeezes like this. It's kind of like trying to catch a top. It doesn't really, sometimes it just keeps going up. So I don't short it. I only trade long, and I trade longs when there's a trap. So that's what I've been trading for the past 2-3 years. Last year, I actually had a Top Step live funded account, but there was still there was some cracks in my game where it was like, sometimes I was losing. I was down one trade, maybe I would double up. I don't do that anymore, but I would double up. And I think one day I lost like 30 grand in one day.
Double up right before the platform crashes, too. I'm sorry.
Yeah, something like that. So I think one day I lost like 30 grand, and I was like, I need to get those kinks out of my game if I want to take it to the next level. And it's been pretty much just trying to refine the game, refine the execution, and just keep making money.
That'll definitely definitely teach you, right?
Yeah.
Oh man. Okay, so you've been trading for about 5 years now, and what I'm hearing is that you basically look for liquidity sweeps. Is that kind of how I'm
Yeah,
hearing it?
yeah. So it's on like the 15-minute time frame. You can see it on higher time frames. Basically looking for a trap under a support and a recovery.
Okay.
That gets me enough points where it's like you can get your points and you know there's gonna be a move. You know, sometimes you get chopped out, sometimes it goes up and just comes back down. So that's like the best for my psychology and my like the way I like to trade. That's what I like to see.
So you don't short at all.
I mean, I used to a couple years ago, and I was like, it's just too low of a
Somebody
win
is
rate.
personally offended by
I'm
this right now.
listen, Nikhil, we might have some issues, okay? 'Cause listen. Okay, you know what? I heard what you told me, and it's totally fine. You're a bull at heart, and we're just gonna keep it that way, okay? That's it.
He
We
wants to
agree
fight you, Nikhil.
I seriously thought it was Bakil. Thanks for joining us. And
Yeah. It's been a pleasure. No, I mean it's interesting too to hear that, because obviously, yeah, you're right. For the most part, we do, like, normally we go up in the market, right? So how has it been? I mean, trading, right? I mean, we've obviously seen days where we just completely dump from the open. There's no sort of liquidity sweep. There's no pullback. So are you like, how do you analyze those sort of days? Like, how are you, how do you go into the
Yeah.
market?
So I say when we have a mode run, one red day is when it goes from the open to the close. It's just selling. I'd say those are pretty rare. You get a squeeze at least at some point. If I don't see a squeeze, there's no recovery, I won't take a trade. That's fine. I'll come back the next day, but I'm not losing money taking something that's not part of my setup because that'll just dilute my edge. Um, as far as not shorting, um, I think it's hard to time a short, especially. I mean, the market sells a lot, and I like it when it sells because that gives me a setup. Because when it sells, people are gonna short. I'm not talking about you specifically, but people are gonna short. People are gonna short, after a 30, 40, 50 point sell, and that's when you get trapped. So that's why I like to see sells, because that means I'm gonna get a setup. There's gonna be volatility. If it's grinding higher, I don't get a setup. You don't get a setup. Nobody gets a setup.
All right.
That's what I like to see.
So the question is,
I think I didn't take a trade on Tuesday.
are we going to
No, I didn't take a trade
pull down for a little bit?
There's nothing to see there for me. It chopped like it.
That is the question.
And
That is the question.
overnight because we got a little pop. But yeah, that's how I navigate that.
So are you normally trading just the NASDAQ, or do you look at other instruments?
Only ES. I
Only
don't trade the
ES.
NASDAQ,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Only yes, that's interesting. Usually we hear everybody's like only Nasdaq. So
yeah, I just trade the one. I'm really good at because I've been doing ES so long that I, kind of know how it moves now. If I brought in Nasdaq, it'd be like trading blind for me.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know how big swings are. I don't know what normally happens. You just trade what you can do, right?
Kind of want to push down into here.
A lot of people are like, "Oh, why don't you diversify?"
It's a little scary. There's a lot of
look at other tickers. You're missing
contracts building above.
Like, when you get used to something and you kind of understand the language of it, like, why change it, right? So that's okay. That's really good to know. What other? So it sounds like you look at the 15-minute is kind of your bread and butter time frame.
15-minute. I like to always keep the 15-minute because I'm just used to how the
question is, do I pick my funded account
or look at it for maybe 30 seconds and then go back to the 15-minute?
Okay.
Yeah.
Very interesting. Well, this is super cool. I feel like we've had so many different types of like traders on here, and like that's a cool thing about trading. Like, you can trade one instrument and one strategy, and like, or you can look at multiple instruments and trade different strategies, and really be successful in this. And right now, you specifically only look for the longs. So I think that's really cool. What sort of did you have any sort of mentors or anyone like helping you along the way, or were you just kind of like self-taught?
What is even happening right now, guys?
There's a guy on Twitter. I follow
every good
him for
story starts with there's a guy on Twitter.
Yeah, he has really good levels, and so I was like, he has this thing on Substack. It's like $20 a month. So I've subscribed to that, and he sends out a newsletter. I don't read it anymore, but initially I did, and that's what kind of got me into the traps, recoveries, trading.
All right, what's 2 4 20?
Markets move off liquidity. They don't move.
Ooh.
Right.
You know,
Ooh,
that's
that
why
looks
when
so
the
good.
tariff thing went down, it came right back up because there were so
Yeah.
many people short, and it just squeezed higher.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's a good point. Yeah, it's definitely it's really satisfying catching a reversal move. I'm sure you've caught plenty of those in your trading career, and that's always great. So are you holding these positions? And I'm assuming for a decent amount of time, no?
I just hold till it hits my target. I shoot for 10 points, sometimes even less if it's
Oh,
chopping.
okay, okay.
Stop is like 10 to 12 too.
Good lord, that's
And
a scalper right there.
yeah, I don't like being in positions long because some like moves in ES they don't hold for a long time. Like they don't hold the whole day. I wouldn't be surprised if this move starts to see some selling. Um, there's been a couple reactions off that support. I mean the resistance, but you know anything can happen. And we've seen a lot of moves just go up, down, up, down. So I don't want to be holding it for that long. There's a lot of whipsaw.
Yeah, yeah. No, that makes sense. That makes sense. So did you trade anything
Oh
today
no, I think
on
we're gonna
ES?
take
Did you
loss
trade
on our
anything over?
No, I didn't.
funded.
It just went straight up. So there wasn't anything for me to trade. If it comes back down, maybe under the overnight low, I take a look at it. Otherwise, I'm fine. There's nothing for me to trade here.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, we've been seeing. I mean, obviously, we're feeling pretty bullish here today. So, um, how are you going into the rest of the year? Do you typically like? Do you just trade normally throughout the months, or do you use some seasons that you just kind of take it easy?
I trade normally throughout the months, but on holidays, it's a little bit more bullish. But there's not really that many setups on holidays because there's no volatility.
Yeah.
Um, I I wouldn't be surprised if there's nothing to trade for the rest of the year. Unless this move reverses, like it might just start grinding up for the rest of the year.
Yeah.
And you know we can come back next year and see what happens.
Hey, we'll see. We'll
Yeah.
see what happens. Like
Yeah.
I'm hoping for a canceled Santa Claus rally, but I
Yeah.
might
So
be.
am I. So am I.
Hey, you guys gotta wear your Santa hats. Otherwise, it's not gonna happen.
Yeah. Forgot about that.
Oops.
Yeah. I
Oh
think the
man.
best setups were in November when we were getting a lot of volatility. You know, that's why I like it to see some selling.
Yeah. Yeah. You and me both.
Yeah.
I'll catch the shorts and then you can just take my order and flip long. How
Yeah,
about
I got you.
that? Oh man. Well, Nikhil, before we let you go, do you have any sort of advice
Okay,
for
we're in on a trade.
when they,
It's not looking good right now though.
anything that you really learned this year in particular?
I would say, I mean, pretty much when you're trading, you know what to do. You just don't do it. You know you have to let your like if you get your stop loss hit, you can't re-enter. If you're taking a step that you don't expect, don't take it. Like you know what you do, you know what you need to do. You just need to do it. Like if you want to lose weight, you have to stop eating this much. Like you know what to do, but people just don't do it. That's the
Yeah.
thing. And at some point you'll get tired of losing, and then you'll make a change. That's what I gotta say.
I love that. We actually that's called something
Forgot.
in
You
psychology.
guys can't see that. So we're in. We're in on a
It's
trade.
really when you do something that you know you're not supposed to do, but you do it anyway.
We're hoping.
Yeah.
And so
We're on our funded. We're hoping to get to a
psychology,
possibly a positive
making the wrong trade, like,
situation here.
but consistently failing to follow through with that. So
Yeah.
it has a name. It has a name. But yeah, I love that. I love that you said that because we all know when we're messing up, but we're just like super stubborn.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
It's like building a bad habit, basically.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
exactly, exactly. Well, we appreciate you, Nikhil. We appreciate you coming on here. We're excited to bring you on next time and see how far you progressed. And
All right, we're hoping that we actually come down
day in your holiday.
to this area.
Awesome. I appreciate it. Thanks for having me on.
Yeah, thanks for being here,
Thank you.
Nikhil. See ya.
Thanks. See ya.
All right,
All right,
chat.
guys. Should we do a giveaway?
I just wanted to mention the like goal. The
I
like
beat you.
goal. We're connected, Mary. You know. Like goal.
Not
420.
looking good.
We're sitting at 339. Chat. Come on, everybody, hit the like button really quick. Let's get us to 420 likes, and we can do a giveaway. Easy.
While we're looking at that, it's actually it's interesting because we've had I'm trying to think of how many we've had so many guests.
I think all the sell people
We've had people that are established traders
believing that it's going to come down
but we've also
is
had,
going to
a number
make
of people, like I
the
said, who are
liquidity up here just so attractive that
done their
we might
I'm really
just get
curious
pulled
because I know, like,
up.
if I recall, like the average age of a prop
It's
option
kind of
account
my
is in
thoughts
the
here.
20s, and there was always something that stuck out to me in in Mark Douglas's The Disciplined Trader. I'm curious to get your guys' thoughts on this because all three of us had careers, jobs, businesses outside of trading before we got into trading. And so one of the things Mark Douglas talks about, the biggest challenges a lot of us face, and especially, I didn't start trading till I was in my 30s as well, is the concept in our subconscious of money and time equaling money, right? We're used to, you work in
Yep.
your high
See,
school,
and
you
then
work in an hourly job, you work 12 hours
contracted,
for X
similar
amount
area.
before taxes.
A
That's
lot of
amazing. You know,
contracts down right there.
70K a year.
Um,
That's, as long as you don't get fired, that's what you're making.
that could be them putting a stop loss in,
Fired, or you do a great job, whatever.
or that could be where people.
That whole paradigm is thrown off, right? I mean, we all
So we're hoping.
stream have made or lost 4 figures, sometimes make 5 figures in the
We are hoping. Actually, might move this over here because I want to see what the price action looks like as it comes in. I know we don't really need to trade this one, and we should be trading the other one, but I think
hang up that a lot of us get with that, whether we realize it or not. I'm really curious to see all these younger traders. He just said he's not. So I'm sure he's had an hourly job or something at some point. But having not spent 10 years in a private or public job or whatever in a salaried position, I wonder if that mental barrier.
it's kind of mixed where the volume is. All right.
I don't know if you guys experience that.
All right.
As well, or if that's ever something that's popped in your head. But yeah, that's
starting to drop.
Some of these younger guys on.
Yeah, definitely.
I like it.
I apologize. I was answering this the chat here. But
Okay,
yeah,
is it going to retest now?
It can be interesting. I mean, we know that, obviously Brandon was in nursing, right? Like I always wonder like what the overlap is there, if there is any, right? We hear a lot about like engineers, mathematicians, teachers, athletes, like
The drops from here were looking good.
I come from.
If not, probably bad.
And I wanted to become a dietitian at one point, and then
We're gonna see it drop underneath,
to do
underneath here, and we probably are good.
I went into marketing, I went into copywriting, and then, I just realized that like over time, in terms of trading, right? Over time, it's like how you do one thing is how you do everything, and a lot of your daily life really spills into that, right? Like simple things, like as simple as making your bed in the morning, or doing like something routine that really helps with your productivity can really overlap with your trading habits. So yeah, there's definitely a lot that goes into it. But
just an update on the like count really quick. We did hit it. We did hit the like goal. So we are going to do the giveaway. If you want to join this giveaway, you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I give you the keyword, type that keyword in the chat, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. The keyword is TTV to the top, one word, no space in between. Let's go. Good luck, everybody else. Yeah, Sayed, 580's rejection was clean. Clean. Could have let it run, but it made sense to trail because that's how I always do it. That's how we do it. That is how we do it.
Also, guys, I did see somebody. This is a really cool feature, and I didn't. We get all these year-end.
Okay, drop underneath. Come on. There it goes. There it goes. Keep dropping.
Your Apple Music, whatever, right?
Keep dropping.
I didn't know Tradovate actually has this feature that you can like see how you did throughout the course of the year. So I just took my last little bit because we've only been trading these accounts for a little.
I don't trust it.
Up on my socials, so so if anyone wants to take a look at that, we've only been.
I should have let it drop, huh?
I think last week of October is when we started trading, but I was curious.
Or at least should have took it when it was like 45.
Also eyeing up a little bit of a short here, guys.
Telling you, Nick, you should have freaking held. Why didn't you listen to me? me. No, this was not an easy. This wouldn't have been an easy hold, that's for sure.
No. I mean, I figured it will go lower. However, I just on GP trades I trail with the previous 1 minute, so that's what I did.
I do like this short.
Oh, it did go. Oh my gosh.
High though, because that could be.
So that's where I should have waited. Put my stop loss here. Let's see if it would have hit.
So I'm in at
Nope.
1150.
If it goes down to 70, I'm gonna be a little upset. Right down in here, we could have ended positive for the week on the prop
Selling pressure coming in.
on the funded account.
And then I'm going to hold the other two till probably the 70s. All right, got one off there.
Nice.
I'm not FOMOing though.
ES needs to break below this 70 level.
I think today's too risky at this point because it could shoot back up pretty hard. Could be some wild swings.
There's some stuff coming in here, guys. There's some volume. There's some big selling. Yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to look at like 4 things at once here. Talk at the same time. There's a decent sized order at 470. That's probably where I'm going to look to take my next contract off.
Yeah, I think if ES, like I said, breaks down below this 72.
Oh my gosh, there it goes.
I mean, shoot, you could even get VWAP out of this, possibly.
That'd be a hell of a trade.
Are you trailing? Or are you
I need to have some diamond hands.
So I'm gonna set. I took one off.
It looked weird when it came up
Just a handful of points
in my mind.
Nice.
Locks in a few $100 regardless.
So 70 right here would be 200. Means we would have wiped out yesterday's 143 loss, and we would be positive like $50 for the week.
I think 497 and 505 could act as resistance, and then 485.
Looks like we're going there. Son of a gun.
Yeah, I was sitting.
Look at that. Look at that.
For a little more selling pressure to come in.
There it is.
Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna slide this down a little bit. Okay, so I got that other.
Well, it is what it is. Next time, hold it.
I'd love to tell you I'm gonna ride this thing to V1.
There, boom, 200. It would have been.
I mean, you could. There's resistance
Wow.
at 485.
Wow.
470 clears. I think
We're chilling though.
All right, fuck it. Why not?
do it.
I'm not. So whenever I play for a move to VWAP, guys, I actually like to set just a little bit above. That way, if for some reason it wants to do one of those stupid things where it gets within 2 handles of VWAP.
Yeah.
It was 143, so we would have been up 157.
But I will also
Actually 160 because it was at 204.
stop 20 handles in profit there.
I'm telling you that 485 has some decent sellers there. If it even does get up there, I think they.
Question is are we gonna continue to move down or are we gonna shoot back up?
So I think as long as you're protected in profits, you still.
Yeah, I see the order at 485, so it looks like it's going to take that out. If it goes up above there, I'll take a profit stop. I'm all right with that. The selling pressure kind of evaporated there. All right,
Yeah, that was stupid. That was weird.
I'm out full there, guys. So I'll get the P&L here in just a second.
Nice.
Move off my
Good job,
screen.
Matt. Good job on that. That was clean.
Yeah, guys, and just
Oh my gosh. I really wish I would have kept that trade, to be honest. Because look at that. You know how good I would have felt? I mean, I actually feel pretty good that I
so one and we're
was
retracing here.
correct in my synopsis.
I don't want to call it a scalp, but what I was looking at here is
Not good that I actually it would have came down here. That's a normal, scenario. This is a supporty area. It didn't hit this. I wanted to target 70, right? Which was right before.
If you're going against the trend and we are,
And
taking a short up here,
which is okay, But you got to go to work. That was the opportunity to make that trade happen, to go positive for the week on the funded account. But we're only really down 129.2. This was a gamble account. You can only have 3 accounts on YRM. Well, technically, you can have unlimited. You can have unlimited challenge accounts, but I want to get in the idea. Well, I don't want to pay the monthly cost of more than 3, if that makes sense. These are 50K accounts. So right now with their special, I think I got them all when they were 37. Now that I think about it, probably should have gambled with it. I was kind of dumb. They're now $47.
Yeah, absolutely. Hey,
Also
nice
still
trade
on
back.
promotion.
Good job on that.
But anyways, I did purchase a funded 150K account.
Wait a second. I missed Matt's
That's
first
what this one is
Doing
now.
stream, Nick. Yes.
First day.
Damn. Congrats, Matt. It only took you
First
7 days,
day
guys.
is negative. Second day,
Where the hell
we
did
could
that
have brought that back. But you know, we just couldn't. We didn't have the cojones. We didn't.
I took a quick break.
And we should have. We should have. It would have been great. Would have worked out. We would be positive. We'd be okay with that, you know.
Miriam's P&L up there, and
Which is
she's
okay. It's okay. Sometimes you just.
and in her
Sometimes when you let your feelings
10K minimum before 10:30.
talk you out of the trade,
You will get
it was a good risk. I mean,
You didn't do that.
to be fair, that
You're gonna get fired, man.
let's trade recap that real quick. We have to leave. But trade recap on that trade, specific trade itself. That's the one we're gonna go off of because we caught the momentum on the other one.
You're done. What are you laughing?
That last trade,
Not coming back.
No.
we put the trade in. It was
I'm sorry to have failed.
it ended up working out.
My lack of
As far as what the profit
It is
target,
what
the
it is,
TP would have
so,
been. I let my emotions
be careful to
talk me out of the trade.
practicing
Sat there and watched it.
Tell someone you love them today. Okay, maybe if you're feeling up for it.
I watched every move.
Okay.
Let the price action talk me out of
I
it.
love you guys. I hope
You
great rest of the
know,
day. You are in great hands for the rest
kind
of
of
this
was looking at price action. Price
Very good,
action
guys. I will see you
follows fundamentals, follows what
See you, Mary. You're fired.
uh
All right.
actually just follows what the money's doing, what the big, you know, what the big players are doing.
Let's run the giveaway. Bob.
And
See who's getting a 50K growth
it was a clearly
The winner
a
is
zone where a lot of money was traded.
too old to trade.
Okay.
I mean, you got an account.
So essentially, if we broke down here, we hit this next one, right? This next high volume area where I talked myself out of it.
Younger than me, I'm gonna be really pissed.
Uh,
About to say, Matt, is that your alt?
and then if it broke there, you know, it's pretty much gonna flow through down to here. So
Too old to trade. You got
they didn't grab all that liquidity. They grabbed all the stuff that people essentially where they wanted to buy at. You know what I mean? They probably have stops down in here. So they, you know, they pulled down, started buying here. These people either added to that. I started taking short, so you're probably gonna see a pull back up over that. So, you know, that's about it.
14 likes on the stream, and we're gonna do another giveaway. So everybody, smack that like button, and we're gonna give you guys another. All right.
Anyways,
Now Nasdaq.
all the loves, guys. That's it. We do gotta go. Peace. Overall successful day, though. I mean, we took it. We took it. We took. Oh, we had 2 red days with some profit in those. The scalp account seems to be doing fine. That makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positive trades since our last lost one. So we are bringing it back. We're bringing it back. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
You know, Nick, I don't think we've ever really kind of gotten into that
So
too much. I'm sure if we have, I don't remember because 7 months is a long ass time.
it is what it is. We do have to go though. All the loves. Peace. Later.
Friday, are you? Is it just hey? It's just another day. I'm gonna do
Oh,
or you maybe look
sorry.
for quick little profit ticks and then head into the
This guy.
I mean, I'm
We don't want that stuff.
trades or like takes
We don't need that stuff.
pretty quick
Anyways, loves.
in terms of
Peace.
trailing my stop.
Later. Alligator 773 for the week on this account. That's great. I love it.
Let's look at an example here on my
Yep,
chart.
yep.
We can switch to my charties. I took a short.
Oh, I guess we gotta pull up that stream. Tradify. Do you have the giveaway?
Where is it? Here. So that was my short entry. Like this is the 1 minute candle, the 1 minute chart. So what I wanted to see, I had my final target at 5.
Okay, we are getting computers at work today.
50 points. However, I was waiting for a clean rejection, which we
Just want to pull up Tradify. What you're probably listening to on. I think you guys can hear that.
As soon as the second or as this first 1 minute candle after my entry opened,
I like watching Ola Prime's.
this wick.
Ola Prime official.
Live on stream. So I had a
That's the one that I engage in and listen to pretty much on Tradify just to see if I can win some accounts.
we had bearish candles.
They're always doing giveaways.
This one and
You know what I mean?
This
So
1003 candle.
why not?
And then move down.
Why not?
Move my stop to break even right above this candle, right? And then I just kept trailing it as this 1004 candle opened and moved down. I
Peace.
above it.
Oh, that's not what we're
Like 25-ish points, 24-ish points.
trying to.
And
Push
that is
there.
fine for me, you know? Did it go down further? Could I have held it and made 100
Okay.
points? Yes, I could have. Right? But if I hit 25 points and 25
Peace.
points and 25
Peace.
points,
All the